A strong watch with sleek lines, it commands a rather high price. However, for that cost it does offer a wide range of features, so if you're a serious athlete you'll find some serious gains here. The Garmin Forerunner 935 is a watch that brings the brilliant running power of the Forerunner range and adds in the capabilities of Garmin's Fenix line. It's the first watch to marry the two worlds. It's clear that Garmin is going further down this line, with subsequent watches taking the same kind of angle, but the 935 is still the one that impresses us the most. Yes, it's incredibly expensive, but the monster battery life and range of activities make it hard to resist. It costs £469.99, $500, in black, so it's anything but cheap, although the prices have dropped a touch. There's also a tri-bundle option available for £589.99, $650, which will come with a yellow strap in addition to the black one, as well as HRM Tri, HRM Swim, and a quick release kit. The main thing that catches the eye, apart from the price, is the training load monitoring. It's a simple screen that can tell you how well your fitness is improving while noticing how much training load you are putting on. The emphasis on you is key there. By using technology and algorithms from First Beat, a heartbeat and performance analytics company, the Garmin Forerunner 935 is capable of learning your fitness levels, working out where you are in a training cycle, and giving you qualified information on how trained you actually are. This is great for those in training for endurance events, where a training plan might feel a little too hard, or easy, and being able to work out if the schedule is actually having the desired effect on training load and fitness. In practice, it works very well, monitoring your training loads and letting you know when you're doing too many junk miles. It's not always the sort of thing that will change your training plan. For instance, when we were told our fitness wasn't improving, it was because we were chucking in more miles to build base endurance, but it gives confidence that the watch knows your personal fitness accurately. There are new options on offer now when it comes to the physiological monitoring. Your resting heart rate is monitored well, and you can even check out your stress levels over the course of a day. The battery life on this thing is insane though. We've never seen a running watch that lasts as long. We're getting up to 10 days between charges, and that's with everyday activity. If you don't ever fire up the GPS, you're going to be getting weeks out of this thing. It's the perfect watch for the ultra-marathon or Ironman. It helps that it doesn't pump out music like the new Garmin Forerunner 645, but if it did, we reckon you'd still get a week's life. And when it comes to the amount of things you can actually do with it,